Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. In a few minutes, the New York Stock Exchange will open, and on the 7th of April 2016, very shortly the market will open, and we will see what will happen. I'm going to go back again so we wait here until the market open first. This is preparation, all right, warming up before the market opens, all right. The Dow Jones has been resilient yesterday, and this is the price action that we see yesterday, all right. So you see this pattern here. It went up, this a bullish progression followed by an invitation to buy, okay. But as trader responded to the invitation to buy, the price went up like this. So what we do when the price is going up, we are comparing the prior move to the new price action. So we are comparing this leg, okay, this leg here, from here to here. We see that there was an invitation to buy, but the price did not, okay. The market is now open. Can you see gap down? Why is it gapping down? Because there was no much demand to buy anymore. So those who were very excited, see how it's gapping down like this, okay? Those who were, okay, buying in this session. Are you with me? Are you following me? So here it is. You see, we are comparing the prior action, okay, to the new price action, language of the price. So here it is. You see here, this is a bearish candle, by the way. You see going down very fast. Okay, I'm a bit excited. I want to sell the Dow Jones, but it looks like these people push it too far now. Look where it is now. Gap down. Is it correction or is he a false data? Okay, is he a false data? This the market just opened now, 15 minutes, and look from this level of 17720, we are now 100 point down. What's going on? So, but the point I want to make here is that we are comparing. See, this is an price went up, so me telling that okay, it's bullish. Okay, now it pulled back display higher low. It's what equal to an invitation to buy. So for that bullish momentum to be very strong, the next move should be stronger than the first move. Now look, they only did this from here to here, which means those who were buying here, okay, abandoned the Dow Jones here. And now you see what's happening now. See how it gap down, all the way down, all lost everything. All right, you see now, gap down. Okay, all right. So it's now. By the way, the time in London now is now 31 minutes past 2 p.m. In New York, 31 minutes past 9. Market just opened and gap down. Okay, am I looking at wrong data? Let's go and check on the Nasdaq 100 and see what's happening there. Okay, so here it is, gap down also. You see, Nasdaq 100 also coming down. Okay, let's look at the other one, the S&P 500, which represent the market, and see whether it's the same scenario. Is it a bearish party today? So here again, see gap down. So the same thing. So pay attention to the language of the price. Look at this section here. Price went now from A to B. I want you so traders spend too much of time. I have here the CCI, okay, GL CCI here. But what is happening, okay? Traders very often spend most of their time looking at the technical indicator. So traders that are following that for some time know that I've been talking about this for years, that the best way to fool a trader is to make the trader look at something else, all right? So we, as a TSC trader, we use technical indicator, but when a trader asks a question, I always try to divert his attention to the real thing, which is what? The price. So look again, look at the same thing I'm saying to you now. Look, price went up very fast, and then what? It pulled back, okay? What's in this pullback here? And then start changing direction. If it starts changing direction, it's what? An invitation to buy. Okay, use the top down trimeter, we take it. All right, and now it went up. So now if you start changing direction without replicating or duplicating this price action, it's indicating to us that the bullish momentum is diminishing. Yeah, look, comparing this price action to this one here, which one is more stronger? The first one. If the first prior action is stronger than the second price action, is telling us that the bullish momentum is diminishing. We use the same strategy in a downtrend. Price went down, first leg, and a rally. If the price starts changing direction, it's an invitation to sell. But if the prior price action is stronger than the next price action, is what? It's an invitation. It's telling us that the bearish momentum is diminishing. How do I know? Those who understand area wave know how the normal bullish progression goes. It goes like this: first wave, and then a pullback, which is the second wave. Yes or no? And we know that for a normal bullish progression, the third wave is the longest. So the first invitation, when we have the first invitation, it's very important for us that the reaction, action and reaction, the reaction, which is the third wave, should exceed the first wave in normal condition. If it is not, we'll put a question mark on the bullish progression until otherwise stated. All right? But then we have the fourth wave, which is the second invitation to buy. But because they start cashing up, suddenly we see that the fifth wave, in most cases, will be shorter than the third wave. Now again, that's why at the end of the fifth wave, we see a correction, which is 1, 2, 3. Are you getting the message? So when you are using a trading system or any trading method, pay attention to the price alone. And what I say to you today will help you make excellent decisions, and also sometimes to read the price like a nigger. Does it make sense? It makes sense? All right? So this is just few tips and tricks, about day trading, swing trading, that you can use, all right, to start improving your day trading instead of throwing money away, If you are not ready, all right, so that's what I say to traders: do not skip, a step, all right? You learn something. What is the next step? Practice, all right? All right? Practice, all right? You learn it, or you go to a law school. They will send you to a court, a real court, to witness how the lawyers are defending their clients, all right? So you may see in real time, and then you yourself will start practicing the law, the theory that you have learned. All right. So the same thing I recommend to traders. You learn about day trading. You learn about swing trading. You understand it? Yes, you understand it. It's clear to you. It makes sense. Now, the next step, do not skip it. Practice first. Use a demo account. All right. Market is open. Sit in front of the screen. Live chat. Compete with the professional using no money at all. All right. Just for fun. All right. Just for fun. All right, and then you do it. If you start seeing that, you are now ready, then you come into the market to compete with the expert, because all traders do not have the same level. You can have two traders using the same system, TSTW24, and you will see, that these traders have more, skill than the other. But it doesn't mean that some traders are useless. It's that they are a little bit behind. Or probably they are still spending most of their time focusing either on a technical indicator or focusing too much on the signal. Now, what we say again, so apart from the technical indicator and the price, we also say something else. Do not concentrate too much on the signal. What should you concentrate on? The setup. You see now? The setup. Professionals know their setup. All right? They know their setup. They understand it. They master it. They set up. And when they see that setup, they know exactly what to expect, how to trade it, whether the signal has failed, whether it's a useless trading setup. I recommend to TST24 traders to pay attention to, the PDF that I sent to them. They need a 2-4 trade. All right? This is about trading setups. You also see on our website, best-trading.com, other setups, and also I joined to your channel. I talk about chart pattern recently. All these things count. The setup, you find a high probability trading setup, then you implement what? a top-down trading method. So don't focus too much on the technical indicators. Focus on the price action. Okay. Don't focus too much on the trading signal. Focus on the on the trading setup. Okay. Next thing, do not use a single time frame. All right. So you are a swing trader. You see a chart pattern on a daily chart or weekly chart. You go and place a trade. Well, sometimes it may work. Sometimes it may not work. Or you are a day trader. You go to the 5-minute time frame or 50-minute time frame, playing with the stochastic, the RSI. This is about trading on one time frame. For instance, you see I'm on a 5-minute time frame, and I'll just come here and say blah, 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 sell, buy. It may work, it may not work. Use different time frame. Use multiple time frame. Use what we call a top-down trading method. The top-down trading method consists of using at least 2 times frame. All right, it makes sense? All right, let's go back to the Dow Jones. All right, I hope you learned something from the video, okay? Because there's no point to throw money away, all right? I hate that. I don't know whether you hate it as much as I hate it, all right? Real money being thrown away, and then you are empty pockets. It's not good, all right? You want to keep in the bank, okay? Or maybe if you have too much, you want to send me some money, all right? Send me email, and I'll give you, all right? This to make you laugh a bit, okay? So don't throw money away. That's what I'm saying, okay? All right? So you see here, get gap down and wipe out yesterday, okay? So let's go to the daily chart. You'll see now, okay? What is happening here, okay? Just wipe it out, okay? You wipe it out. So now we are back on a higher time frame. So for the 5-minute time frame, I want to explain to you what is happening here. You see now? So yesterday, again, look what is happening here on the daily chart. So will you say that this is a bullish progression? Okay. Now I want you to get this message clear. Okay. Now will you say that this is an invitation to buy if you start changing direction here? Okay, it's an invitation to buy. Okay. Now, okay. So will you say that okay, trader responded and buy? Yes. So if you compare this leg to this new leg here, which one is stronger? The first leg is longer. What is it telling us? It's telling us that the bearish momentum is diminishing. So at that point in time, we'll put a line here, a warning line, okay? Let's color it into orange, as I always do, all right? Color it into orange, all right? And we will say to ourselves, priority to bearish signal below 11798. Does it make sense? It makes sense, isn't it? All right? So because it failed to achieve the same length as it did in this first leg, this is a warning line. Priority to bearish signal below, priority to bullish signal above, break above, retest, turn around, break below, retest, turn around. But another thing that I explained to traders recently about the S&P 500, which is true for the NASDAQ 100 and also for the Dow Jones. Here it is. The pink line, I have a pink line on my chart. All right, you see this pink line? When I see that, it get my attention very fast. Look, priority to bearish signal below this pink line. You see a bearish trend line, this bearish trend line. On a daily chart, you will see also on a weekly chart. So what the Dow Jones, remember the pink line, okay? Because I have many lines on my chart. Yesterday, what has happened, when the market opened yesterday, so on Friday, the market went down, okay? So, no, day before yesterday, okay? On Tuesday, the market went down. And look, so on Wednesday, it breaks, so on Tuesday, it breaks below the pink line. It finally, so it was above the pink line, so it break above, retest here. So if you just buy as a swing trader, say, George, break above, retest, I'll buy, and I will just keep my fingers, my arm, my leg crossed, and everything will work beautifully. It didn't work beautifully this time. So break a ball, retest. How do we handle that? We will use a top-down trading method. If the signal fell, will come out. Okay? Losing trade will take place, but a winning trade, we want more. All right? So it was above the trend line, okay, on Monday, but Tuesday, Instead of continuing the trend to go out, it just come back below it. So now it breaks below it. First, on Friday, it break above it. On Monday, it retest it. On Tuesday, one is expecting to continue the trend up, but no, it didn't. Use a top-down trading method to control this type of setup. Okay, now look at it. On Tuesday, it did below it. So what is going through our mind? We want it to retest it. So there's something the price doing all the time. Break above, retest, break below, retest, and then we apply a top-down trading method. Break above, retest, break below, retest. Either horizontal support or resistance level, or a trend line. Here we have a pink trend line. It breaks above it, retest. Apply what? The top-down trading method. Well, the signal fell, boom, opposite signal. Yeah, it break below it. So on Wednesday, professional are expecting what? To retest it. Sometimes you can trade that. It breaks above it. What is the expectation? Bullish candle like this. They want it to retest it. It breaks below it. What do they want? They want it to retest it. Retest it. So it retests it here. So what is happening today? It looks to me that there are some traders that place a trade. These are speculators. They will place a trade 1 minute before the market is closed. All right? They wait till the last minute. So those traders, yesterday night, just before the market is closed, they place a trade to sell. And it happens to be, many of them did exactly the same thing. So the next day, which is today, the price gaps down. It makes sense? This is a day, a swing trading discussion, okay, about how to analyze, okay, the price like a pool. All right? If you have any question, put in the comment section. All right? And in due course, we'll record another video to answer your specific question. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about a day and swing trading discussion. Okay, talking about how to analyze the price action like a pool.